In this video, I will show you how to redeem a code on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, you're going to see an option down here to add a game. Give that a click and that's going to bring up some options, and what you want to do is select the option to activate a product on Steam. Give that a click and it's going to open up a window like this, and this way you can actually enter your product code. So you can see some example product codes here. So this is a format you're going to need to enter it into the box here, and that's going to add that product to your Steam library. So that is how to redeem a code on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.